I broke it. It's actually cracked from there all the way to the inside of the clip.
12ドライブトヨタです。
So what we're gonna do whilst we're waiting for the WD-40 to like set in and those two stubborn screws, we're gonna start peeling off the bumper, which I'm hoping shouldn't be too hard, too easy. So what I recommend you guys get is a microfiber cloth, because you don't want to hurt your hands. Edges are pretty sharp, and yeah, let's start peeling it off. Oh yeah, that's pretty on hard. Okay. Oh, I forgot about one thing. How could I forget? Right, so obviously we need to get rid of this number plate. How could I have forgotten? Now the thing is, how do I even take this off? Trial and error, I guess. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so what you want is one of these. If I'm being honest, I have no idea what it's called. It came from number 1, whatever that means. So yeah, let's unscrew these. I'm hoping it should just come off, or we'll just leave it on, but we'll see how it goes. I mean, it worked for the other one perfectly, but this one does not want to budge. It does not want to budge. Oh well. You know what? We'll try it whilst keeping this thing on. I mean, what have I done? Anyways, yeah, let's get back on to unclipping the bumper. Yeah, I'm really pissed. Okay, so off camera, I spent ages trying to get those 2 screws off with a bit of help of WD-40. It just was not budging, it was not coming off. So yeah, I got mad. So I literally put my head inside the car, and then guess what I see? I see 2 nuts, as in, like, you know those hexagon things? They're probably around 30 minutes. They wasted time waiting for the WD-40 to set, when all I needed was that. So yeah, let's finally get these 2 off. Alright, so I've decided I am gonna have to jack up the car because it's honestly ridiculous. Because like, it's so hard for my hand underneath and like to actually like grab onto the nut. So yeah, we're gonna lift the car up one corner, and hopefully that'll make things a little bit easier. Why did this not come out, man? Come on. Oh. The fruits before I leave, but I'm a plant the seed. On the track and I'm still running. Spin the glow, make me feel something. Spin the glow, make me feel something. Now that we've jacked the car, I'm hoping after nearly an hour we can finally get those 2 nuts off. We've got much more space, so hopefully you can get more deep under there. Guys, do you see that? Do you know what that is?
Yeah. Yeah.
We finally got it off.
Look at how far we done came just to shine, how to get through the rain. Look at how far we done came, but you hanging, I ain't heard what you say. Look at how far we done came, spin the globe, now we fly like a plane. Yeah, yeah, always remember from where I came, I ain't never gonna switch off the flame. Gotta do this for my family.
Believe me when I say this, it took me around 2 hours. 2 hours not to get the bumper off to get those 2 screws off. I swear down, man. The forum people, they're right. You really want 2 people to help you with this because it's so flipping hard. Wait, look, that screw and that screw is unbelievable. Like my hands. Yeah, I'm not exaggerating here, guys. That it genuinely took me 2 hours to get those 2 screws off. Unbelievable. Look how much tools I needed. I needed pliers, whatever that's called, knife, whatever that's called, no, that's a towel, and a drill, and I don't know what that is, and a jack. So yeah, finally got the rear bumper off. Now onto the fun stuff. Let's get the new bumper. So look what we have here. We've got the absolutely awesome R32 rear bumper. I'm actually praying it doesn't take like 2 hours to get it on, because if it took me 2 hours to get 2 screws off there, God knows how long it's gonna take me to get this one on. But yeah, I am planning like in the future to obviously spray this part silver, keep this black, but obviously I'm broke. I'm saying I've spent all my savings on this, I've got all my money, so in the future we are going to be painting this part silver. As for now, we're just going to get it fitted. Don't know how I'm going to do this, let's just pop it right on, I guess. So if I'm being honest, I've got absolutely no idea where to start, but trial and error, I guess. Let's just... Alright, so yo, this is looking sick already. You know what? This is probably gonna take me a while because I'm kind of struggling to get these all clipped in, so I'm gonna do this off camera. I'll be back in a minute. Wish me luck. This is probably gonna take me like, I'll say 4 hours. You guys are lucky you're watching this on YouTube. Anyways, let's get this on. I broke it. I fractured it. Unbelievable. You can't really see, it looks tiny, but it's actually cracked from there all the way to the inside of the clip. I've broken it. So again, it's true what the forums say. It's pretty much impossible to put this on without taking the top part of the bumper off, because where the number plate is, it just doesn't go in. There's too much play. I can't create enough tension to actually clip this part in. So yeah, that's a huge bummer. After all of that, I'm gonna have to take off this whole upper part, which is quite complicated, because what I'm gonna have to do, if I open the bonnet, I'm gonna actually have to open both lights. Don't know how the hell I'm gonna do that. My god. And then there's gonna be 2 screws there. There's gonna be 2 screws here. Again, another one here. Basically, I'm redoing the whole job. So yeah, man, that's great. Now I need to learn how to take these 2 lights off. God. So what we need to do is pull this off, and where is it? There's a screw there, and I think yeah, we need to pull this off. Hopefully it should just slide out nice and easily. Yeah, let's do this. So what I've done, I have taken both these lights off. As you can see, I've already done that off camera, and the 2 screws underneath, I've already unscrewed them both sides. Now what I'm planning to do, because I'm too scared to deal with any wiring, I'm gonna leave the wires on. So now that I've taken the 2 screws underneath off, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put one screw in there so that the light stays in place. Then I'm pretty sure there's only one more left in there, and I'm praying it comes off. I'm praying. Alright, so yeah, then we just screw these 2 on and we start on the fenders. So I'm guessing, where is it? Oh, I feel something. I'm guessing that is what we need to take off, and it's only that. Oh my days, what's that? Yeah, I think it's only 1 screw, so we'll take that one out on both sides, and I'm praying, again, I pray too much, this will just pop right off. So let's do this. Okay, so finally, after many hours, welcome hours, like I would probably say like 30 minutes, we finally got the whole rear bumper off. I mean, it wasn't too hard, we just had to take off 2 screws there and 2 screws under the wheel well. So yeah, we finally got the whole thing off. I can't lie, it's kind of scary, you know. Like, if my dad saw this yet, he'd be like, what the hell have you done? What have I done? What is that? You know what, it's quite interesting to look at all of this, like, I've never actually seen a car without its backside on. Anyways, yeah, so what we're gonna do now, manually clip all of these one by one, bit by bit. So, you know, 'cause I wanna do a proper job of this. I don't wanna botch anything. So yeah, I'm gonna get this done and I'll catch you guys later when we actually put it back on the car. Again, wish me luck. Right, so again, it took me like around an hour. Finally got all the clips to seat properly in the housings. As you can see, you want it to like actually like come inside and sit on this. I mean, it took me so long only because remember, this is a replica. So as you know, replicas, they never fit that nicely. So if you got the money, trust me, I do suggest you go for the original one. But if you're on a budget, do expect to have a nice looking R32 bumper, but it's gonna be such a pain to get it on. It's been around, what's the time now? 7, 8, 9, 10. It's been around 4 hours, and this is the only way I'm up to. But you know what? The bumper's on. I'm happy. Like I'm really happy. I mean, now that I got it all on, the fitment's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. Anyways, I'm gonna get this on, and then we'll see how it looks. Right, so we put the bumper on both sides. We have screwed 2 screws on both sides. There, whatever. And yeah, really happy. The fit is really cool. It's pretty good for a replica R32 bumper. Anyways, we're gonna fully screw on the lights. Whoa. And then do the arches, and then hopefully we'll be done. Man, to start this video, I told you guys we only needed 3 tools. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, it's paint. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Gemeinsam beten, sprachen das Reden, folgen den Regeln, wir gehen den Weg, brauchen den Segel, setzen die Segel raus aus dem Nebel.
After 6 hours, yes, this took me 6 hours to do by myself. I did not have any help. 6 hours, got it on.
Grinding for all of my people, together community lethal. Got a peace, but I'm trying to be peaceful. Staying humble, kill my ego. Keep the real ones around, man, I need those. And we just trying to fly like some eagles. Came up the block from the gutter. Man, he like the son of my mother. Why you think I call him brother? Rock on my bro from Morocco. I'm with the action from Ghana. If you from Africa, stand up. To Muslim bros on this banger. We got real chefs, real gangsters.
Would you look at that? Oh my god, I am beyond gas right now. Does it not look amazing? I mean, 6 hours just to get this on. Unbelievable. I mean, that was mostly because I was being stupid. I didn't know there was 2 nuts holding the 2 screws over there, and didn't really have the best of equipment. But oh my god, it looks so sick. It's literally transformed the rear end of the car. Like before, when it had that round black plastic piece, the round one. Whoa. Okay, yeah. As I was saying, oh bloody hell, man, shut up. So as I was saying, before we had that round black, basically the stock one. It looked so shit because it was just black and it was round, and it made the back of the car look. It made it look bad. It was round, it was smooth, it had no contour to it, so it just made it look plain, made it look fat. Now, with this new bumper, it's giving it a much more sharper look, and we're more safe now. Like we've got 2 reflectors, so I guess that's good. I mean, yeah, sure, we've got 2 holes in the back for no reason, but maybe one day I'm hoping to get an exhaust system done. I mean, I don't want to do like a straight pipe or anything because it's gonna sound shit. Because it is a 1 litre, 1.4 litre. It's gonna sound raspy. Yeah, that's it. To be honest, really happy with it. It did cost me around, how much did it cost? Like £110, and 6 hours of work. But please, I am begging you, like if you are planning on doing this, you really need to get help. You wanna get a friend to help you out with this, because like a job like this is more of a 2-man person. you don't want to be doing this by yourself. I mean, it's possible, but it takes so long. It took me 6 hours. Probably will spray paint the bottom half, so it matches the silver part. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think of the bumper. I think it looks epic, and once we do get the GTI side skirts, yes, I have ordered them already. It's gonna look sick, because obviously you can see you get this black thing and there's nothing there. It looks a bit weird, but that's gonna be sorted real soon.
Grinding for all of my people. Together, community lethal. Got a peace, but I'm trying to be peaceful. Staying humble, kill my ego. Keep the real ones around, man, I need those. And we just trying to fly like some egos. Came up the block from the gutter. Man, he like the son of my mother. Why you think I call him brother? Rock on my bro from Morocco. I went to Ache from Ghana. If you from Africa, stand up. Two Muslim bros on this banger. We got real sheiks, real gangsters.